The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Oconee County, Morgan County in north central Georgia, southeastern Clark County in northeastern Georgia, northern Greene County in east central Georgia, northwestern Caldwell County in east central Georgia, Wilkes County in east central Georgia, Overworth County in northeastern
Photo by photo.
Matching details in a painstaking process. The chief figured that artificial intelligence could do that more quickly. He started a happy whale and pulled together around 200,000 images of the whales. Many were from scientists, but others were from whale watching groups, since anyone can upload a photo to find the exact whale they're looking at.
In the North Pacific, we have identified almost every living whale. Viewers just
expect damage to roofs,
study of the
sidings,
population
and trees.
expect to see
Locations impacted include Washington,
But that's what he and
Greensboro,
colleagues found for one
Lexington,
group of
Union
whales.
Point,
Some
Crawford,
humpbacks
Signal,
feed in Alaska in the summer and then
Arkansas,
spend winters in
Woodville,
Hawaii.
Maxey's,
That group
Rail,
has declined
Athens, Clark
34%
County,
since
Stevens,
2013,
Dillon,
a big setback.
Smithsonian,
It
Wakewood,
happened when a
Hopkins,
marine heat
Barnett
wave
Shoals,
hit, known as
Greshamville,
the
and
blob.
Newtown.
this very
For
large
your
body
protection,
of
move to
warm
an
water
interior room on the lowest floor of a
surface
building.
stretching from Alaska to
If
the
you
coast
see
of
wind damage,
California.
hail, or
The warm water
flooding,
changed
wait
the
until the
entire
storm has
freeway.
passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-4664 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. In the